Hello, fellow classmates. This is, my name is Byron Baugh. I'm doing this lab production for the first lab of introductory physics on Coursera from Georgia Tech, and we'll get started. First of all, we have my tracker video. What is attempting to be shown with this physical representation of me using a golf ball to roll across the desk is constant velocity. Constant velocity can be represented in Newton's first law, which states an object in motion stays in motion, and an object at rest stays at rest. We used Newton's second law in its formula form to do a lot of the calculations, but that's because it has more precise it is represented in a formula, different parameters equal a more precise result. Okay, so let's play this. As you can see, it stays fairly constant up until the end where it starts to slow down, and it takes longer to move a shorter distance. This table we have copied and pasted onto a spreadsheet, and we will show that versus the model data that we have acquired on the thing I'll show you first, our Python program. I've used the example given for the lab. This, with parameters that I have placed in. To represent the golf ball, and the time window, and the space. Here we have the ball's mass. Here we have its initial position as shown here at that point. The time at 0 to start it. This really small delta t parameter, and that is to create better predictions in the model that is produced right here. Output file, it creates a spreadsheet with the prediction. The prediction is done with this calculation loop while it's under this time, which is the time that it took to do my experiment physically. I have come up with the model data versus the experiment data. Okay, first of all, this short intervals with these dots that you can see here are due to the delta t being so low, the experiment data not having that accurate of a prediction. Secondly, I have made a mistake in the position when I created the model data. It starting from a negative position to a to 0. This is due to the example given with the soccer ball, if you remember, and as that being the case, I have mine here going positive, and there was the one going positively in the negative direction for the example. I couldn't find where exactly that was on the Python, so it made is, as we can see here. I'll stand by it though, because it's got a fairly constant increase, and that's what we wanted to show, a constant velocity. Thank you for viewing my video. I'll do those things now. Thank you. Thanks again, fellow students.